Get ready. This is not just a list. This is the real face of modern war, where lasers, missiles, drones, and cyber warriors decide the future of nations.
Israel, the Iron Shield of the Middle East.
1. Iron Dome, short-range rocket interceptor. Destroys rockets and mortars before they hit cities. Accuracy is, honestly, extremely high. Range is about 4 to 70 kilometers. It saves thousands of lives in conflicts.
2. David Sling, medium-range missile defense, stops large rockets and cruise missiles. Range is 40 to 300 kilometers. Tracks and destroys threats before they reach cities.
3. Arrow 2 and Arrow 3. These are ballistic missile destroyers designed for space intercept missions. They stop nuclear weapons and long-range missiles. Arrow 2 operates in the upper atmosphere, while Arrow 3 is, well, a true space killer. Both systems defend against Iran's long-range missile threats.
4. Iron Beam. This is laser defense, yeah, real Star Wars tech. It melts drones and mortars with focused light beams. The best part? It's ultra-low cost and offers unlimited shots as long as the power is on. This is Israel's latest battlefield game-changer.
5. Barak 8, the Naval Air Shield. It protects ships and ports from missile and air threats. Deployed on Sa'ar corvettes, it keeps the coastline safe.
6. Air Force. The F-35I Adir, is a stealth jet, an undetectable hunter in the skies. Then there's the F-15I Ram, which serves as a long-range precision bomber. And of course, the F-16I Sufa, a trusted multi-role fighter that's proven itself time and again.
7. Drones and cyber. When it comes to drones and cyber capabilities, the Harop loitering munition stands out. It's basically a kamikaze drone. The Heron, Hermes, and Aton UAVs act as persistent eyes in the sky. And let's not forget Unit 8200. These are the cyber warriors, fighting digital battles behind the scenes.
Now, turning our attention to Iran, we see the power of missiles and drones shaping the region's defense landscape.
1. Bavar 373. This is Iran's answer to the S-300. It's designed to shoot down aircraft, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles. With a range of up to 200 kilometers, it stands as a symbol of national pride in Iran's air defense capabilities.
2. Khordad 15. It's capable of detecting stealth aircraft and can engage targets at 75 kilometers. As a mobile system, it moves quickly and honestly strikes even faster.
3. Sayad, Mursad, and Rad. These systems cover short to medium-range air defense, protecting military bases and key cities. While they're based on older designs, they've received modern upgrades to keep them relevant today.
So let's talk about the missile arsenal. The Shahab 3 can actually hit Israel. Then there's the Sejil, which is a solid-fuel long-range missile. The Fatah is a claimed hypersonic missile. And, the Zulfagar and Fateh 110 are designed for short-range precision strikes.
Moving on to drone and swarm power. The Shahed 136 is known for its kamikaze drone swarms. Mohajer, Ababil, and Karar drones handle both reconnaissance and attack roles. And the Fotros UAV is used for, long-range surveillance.
When it comes to Navy defense, Ghadir and Fateh submarines are actually sneaky mini-subs. Fast boats are used to swarm and attack in Gulf waters.
And finally, the cyber army. We're talking about silent strikes, GPS jamming, and, digital warfare.